These machines are not just homes on wheels. They're statements of luxury, innovation, and pure engineering power. Today, we're counting down the top 5 motorhomes of the future. And trust me, number 1 is going to leave you speechless. Number 5, the Volvo Motorhome 2026. Volvo has always been known for safety and precision, but this time, they've turned imagination into reality. The Volvo Motorhome isn't just a vehicle. It's a living, breathing masterpiece of technology. Its aerodynamic design slices through the wind like a silent bullet, with a chrome-finished grille and crystal LED headlights that seem to stare into the future. Step inside, and you're instantly surrounded by elegance. The interior glows with soft golden light. The seats are wrapped in hand-stitched Scandinavian leather, and the air feels cleaner, fresher, like stepping inside a luxury spa. The cabin is fully voice-controlled, responding instantly to your commands, from adjusting the lighting to opening panoramic glass panels that give a full 360-degree view of the world outside. Powering it all is Volvo's new hybrid electric drive system. Smooth, silent, and incredibly efficient, it can travel cross-country with 0 emissions. And thanks to the intelligent suspension, you barely feel the road beneath you. It's like floating through space. But what really makes this motorhome different is its soul. Volvo designed it not just for travel, but for peace. Every inch of this motorhome whispers calmness. From the wooden dashboard to the crystal gear knob that lights up with your heartbeat. It's built for explorers who want to see the world, but do it in style, comfort, and silence. The Volvo Motorhome 2026. 6. A sanctuary on wheels, and the perfect beginning to our countdown of the future. Number 4. The Ford Titan Motorhome 2026. Ford has always built machines for those who love freedom, and the Titan Motorhome is proof that adventure can still wear a suit of luxury. This isn't just another motorhome, it's a declaration that the road belongs to those who dare. The exterior looks bold, muscular, and unstoppable. A matte steel body, sculpted LED strips, and off-road tires that could crush any terrain. The front carries Ford's signature Titan grille, glowing with blue light when you power it on, almost like it's waking up. Every curve of this motorhome has purpose, built to cut through wind, sand, or snow like a tank dressed in elegance. Step inside, and the story changes completely. The Titan's interior feels like a private jet mixed with a smart home. A panoramic sky window runs across the roof, washing the cabin with natural sunlight. The floors are lined with dark oak texture. The walls shimmer with gold-tinted lighting, and every surface feels hand-built. But Ford didn't stop at design. The Titan Motorhome packs a twin-turbo hybrid engine, delivering immense power without wasting a drop of fuel. It features full smart drive assistance. It can park itself, adjust ride height, and even follow your voice commands for climate and lighting control. And when the journey gets wild, the suspension rises automatically, keeping everything steady inside, no matter how rough the path becomes. Every journey inside this motorhome feels cinematic. You can travel through mountains, deserts, or glowing city streets, and still feel like you're inside a luxury apartment. It's not just about reaching a destination, it's about conquering every mile with style. The Ford Titan Motorhome 2026, where strength meets innovation and adventure meets home. Number 3. The Brabus Extreme Motorhome 2026. When Brabus builds something, it's never ordinary, it's extraordinary. Known for turning luxury vehicles into monsters of power, Brabus has now stepped into a new world. The world of motorhomes. And the result? A masterpiece that redefines what luxury and dominance truly mean. The Brabus Extreme Motorhome looks like it was designed for royalty and warriors at the same time. The body is finished in deep matte black, accented by brushed gold lines that shimmer under the light. Its 30-inch forged wheels give it an intimidating stance, while the glowing Brabus emblem on the front feels like the heartbeat of a mechanical beast. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a moving fortress of style and strength. Step inside, and everything changes. The cabin welcomes you with diamond-stitched seats, finished in red and black Napa leather. Ambient gold lighting flows across the ceiling like a living river, while the walls are layered with carbon fiber textures. The air feels rich, controlled by Brabus's smart climate system that adjusts automatically to your body temperature. In the entertainment zone, a massive 3D curved screen dominates the front, delivering cinema-level visuals powered by Brabus's onboard AI. A built-in sound system custom-tuned by AMG engineers surrounds you with deep, crystal-clear audio, like a concert hall on wheels. Under the hood, this machine runs on a high-performance hybrid V8, tuned by Brabus to perfection, pushing out more than 800 horsepower. Despite its massive size, it moves with the agility of a luxury SUV. The adaptive suspension keeps it smooth, even on the toughest terrains. Every inch of the Brabus motorhome feels designed for those who refuse to settle. It's not for the average traveler. It's for the ones who believe the journey itself should feel as luxurious as the destination. The Brabus Extreme Motorhome 2026. Power, perfection, and prestige, all combined into one unforgettable machine. Number 2. The Bugatti Royale Motorhome 2026. Bugatti is a name that has always meant one thing: ultimate luxury and unmatched performance. Now, they've taken that philosophy to the world of motorhomes, creating a vehicle that's less about travel and more about experiencing life at the absolute peak of sophistication. From the outside, the Bugatti Royale motorhome is breathtaking. Its sleek carbon fiber body shimmers in the sunlight, reflecting elegance from every angle. The sculpted curves, precision-cut lines, and glowing LED accents make it look like it could slice through the road at speeds that defy reality. Every inch of its exterior screams perfection. It is a moving work of automotive art. Step inside, and the experience transforms into pure indulgence. The cabin is a symphony of French craftsmanship and modern technology. Soft leather seats, stitched to perfection, cradle you as you relax. Walls are embedded with golden accents, and the ambient lighting adjusts dynamically to your mood. A fully automated minibar stands ready, offering chilled drinks at a touch, while a panoramic roof opens to reveal the sky, making every journey feel like a private escape in the clouds. But the magic isn't just in luxury. It's in the performance. Beneath this masterpiece lies a quad-turbo hybrid powertrain, engineered to deliver breathtaking acceleration while maintaining smooth, silent cruising. Advanced active suspension and adaptive road handling ensure the ride is flawless, whether you're gliding down highways or navigating winding mountain passes. The cockpit is pure Bugatti DNA, minimalistic, functional, and supremely elegant. Every control responds instantly, every display feels alive, and every detail is tuned to perfection. Traveling in this motorhome doesn't feel like driving. It feels like commanding a private palace on wheels, built to satisfy every desire and elevate every moment. The Bugatti Royale Motorhome 2026 isn't just a vehicle. It's a statement, a legend in motion, and the ultimate companion for those who demand the very best. Number 1. The Ferrari Motorhome 2026. When it comes to speed, luxury, and sheer presence, nothing compares to Ferrari. And now, for the very first time, Ferrari has brought its legendary DNA to a motorhome, creating a vehicle that doesn't just move, it commands attention wherever it goes. This is more than a motorhome, it's a masterpiece built for thrill seekers and dreamers alike. From the moment you see it, the Ferrari motorhome is breathtaking. Its body is crafted from ultra-lightweight carbon fiber, finished in the signature Ferrari red that gleams under sunlight like liquid fire. Aerodynamic curves flow seamlessly from front to rear, while the LED headlights pierce the road ahead with a futuristic intensity. Even at a standstill, it radiates power, a promise of the performance hidden beneath. Step inside, and you're immediately immersed in the Ferrari experience. The interior is a fusion of race-inspired design and luxurious comfort. Alcantara leather wraps every surface, accented by carbon fiber trims and brushed metal details. A panoramic roof stretches above, letting natural light flood the cabin and making every journey feel open, free, and exhilarating. The cockpit is pure Ferrari engineering. A digital dashboard inspired by Formula One, responsive controls, and every detail designed for maximum engagement. But this is not just about speed. It's about technology meeting luxury. The Ferrari motorhome features fully automated systems, climate, lighting, and entertainment, all controlled with a simple voice command or touchscreen. A built-in smart lounge transforms into a bedroom with racing-style comfort, while the mini gourmet kitchen ensures that you travel in style and convenience. Underneath this, beauty lies a hybrid V12 engine, tuned to deliver both breathtaking power and smooth, silent cruising. Advanced suspension technology ensures that even at high speeds, the ride remains flawless, combining performance with the comfort of a luxury suite. The Ferrari Motorhome 2026 is more than the pinnacle of this countdown. It's a statement, a moving symbol of freedom, elegance, and adrenaline. To travel in this motorhome is to experience Ferrari in its purest, most audacious form. A dream that has now become a reality.